Why don't you give us just a quick update on Duncan? What's the latest in that case?
So the latest is that now it's back with Judge Benitez because the Ninth Circuit, although we asked that they not remand it because we don't think there's much more to do at the district court level, Judge Benitez already did an extensive examination of the history. The state did its history and mostly cited 20th century laws and exclusively cited 20th century laws. So now we're back with Benitez, and he's ordered briefing due next month, and by all signs, he appears ready to move this forward quickly. However, just a couple days ago, the state sent in a motion to extend the case for 5 months because they say they need to do expert discovery and have time to come up with all these supposed historical analogs that exist. We were sorry to see that, but we'll have to see how that plays out. We definitely don't want them to be able to do that. But
yeah, that's been kind of a common request you've seen. A common defense, or not, it's not really a defense, I guess, but a common tactic so far among states that are trying to defend their gun laws from these sorts of suits is to ask for time to consult with historical experts to find potential analogs so that they can make a more substantial claim in their, under the Bruen test. But it's been interesting because obviously these are not new debates, as we're going to get into here with sort of an ancillary part of it. But, presumably why they need all this extra time is I think an open question, especially when this has been an ongoing debate for years.
Yeah, I mean, and one of the arguments is going to be, not to go sidetrack too much, but essentially Bruen didn't change the test; it just cut it in half. So the history test was always there, so the state arguing that they need more time to do this new test. Well, it isn't a new test. It's the old test. However, we think, this is just me opining, but our thought is that what the state is actually setting up here is that if Benitez says no, they want to make a procedural appeal to delay the case even more. So
that seems like the clear reasoning from an outsider's perspective. Non-lawyer. You're a lawyer who's involved in the case, but I'm not a lawyer, and just from the outside, that feels like these are delaying tactics.
Yeah,
but we'll keep a close eye on that case and all the other cases that the Supreme Court has GVR'd, as they call it, in recent months after Bruen, as there are now 5. So. We will definitely keep in touch with you on that one. And we're going to talk a little bit later about another case that you guys just filed in California on the sensitive places exception.
Absolutely.